Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to find the area if we end up with a shape that's kind of weird like this. This is a strange shape. It's not a rectangle, so I can't use my rectangle formula just the way it is. Instead, what I should do is I should look at this and I should say, okay, this is a weird shape, but I could break it up, and if I break it up, I'll break it up into two shapes that are much easier for me to work with. If I break this up, I can say, I see a rectangle here and another rectangle down here. If I see those two rectangles, now I can find the total area of the whole shape by adding those two parts together, because I know how to find the area of a rectangle. The first part is really easy. This green part is really easy, because I know that area is equal to the length times the width. And on this one, we know that the length all the way across the top is 10 times the width right here of 3. So this area up here is 30 meters squared. Where it sometimes gets complicated is this part down here. Because this part down here, I can't use the 12. The 12 is for the whole stretch. But I only want this part of the red rectangle. So I need to figure out how much of the side is in the red rectangle. The way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to look at the sides that are going up and down. I'm going to look and I'm going to say, I notice that this 12 goes all the way up and down. And if I were to stack together these two shorter sides that go up and down, this 3 side that goes up and down, and this question mark side that goes up and down, does everybody see how if I take this part and I stack them together, they're the same height as my 12 part? If that's true, then I can write an equation. I can say the 3 part plus the question mark part is equal to the 12 part. Now I can figure out what the question mark is. To figure out what the question mark is, I'll do minus 3 on this side, minus 3 on this side. The question mark is equal to 9. So I know the question mark is 9 meters. Now I can use that information to figure out what my area is of the red rectangle. The area is the length times the width, so 2 times 9, which will give us 18 meters squared. Now I've found both parts and I can add them together. The 30 meters squared plus the 18 meters squared will give us our answer of 48 meters squared. If you're having trouble with one of these weird looking shapes, think about breaking it up into 2 parts. Be careful though, because a common mistake is on the second part to use 12. Use this whole side. Don't do that. Make sure you find what just that part, just the red part is. All right, I hope this helps and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.